Hadin ke jengkul marjeng mut jeng kipat ba ha ke jeng duna Umphiang ha ki petrol pom ke balajan adu ke si balang jong kata yau na ke jeng sange penpoi Umphiang ki kali ket petrol na Assam ki balahap ban sange no ha Jorobat ha ke si thok ding jong kata yau katnat Pulit jong ke Riboy district kala Shimkhia ban Synran bat ajeng pahara ye ki saupau teligi kali ket petrol ban penpoi Umphiang sya keleng ki benta jong ke Jylla. Assam Petroleum Mazdur kabalong ka sengki nongkit Umphiang petrol na Assam kalarai ban sange ya ka jing penpoi petrol bat diesel sa ka Jylla Meghalaya hadien bakaladon ka jing bam sengan ha Meghalaya hadien ka jing jas siat yap jong ki sangut ki briu ha mukro ka bahap ha West Giant Hills district jong ka Meghalaya ha ka arpu arteri Umphiang ha ka arpu santre Umphiang ki Pulit ka Riboy district kila Shimkhia ban pentri kam ya ka kenhun Synran ka ban paharai ki kalikit Umphiang na Jorobat sa ki benta ba per ka Meghalaya. Habakrian ki nong pathai kubor u Sanchet Surekha u belang u Joint Secretary Jong Kaseng Petroleum Dealers Association uloong ba ka jing sange penpoi Umphiang jong ka Assam Petroleum Mazdur sa Meghalaya kalong nakadaw ba don bun ki jing ki ha Meghalaya halor ka jing jah mukro. Kinong nya kali Umphiang ki siap ting yo ja kanu kanu jing ma ki ha ka surok ba uloong ru ba ka Petroleum Dealers Association ka penpau ya ka jing songu iki Pulit ka Riboy district ki bela ai ka bor pahara ya ki saupau teli ki kali kit Umphiang bandrung sa ka Jylla Meghalaya bat kumju ru ya ka sarkar Meghalaya.
Petroleum Dealers Association of Meghalaya. I'm the Joint General Secretary. What is happening here is that since yesterday, because of security concerns in Meghalaya, the Tanker Drivers Association, which is Assam Petroleum Mazdur Union, they had temporarily stopped the supplies. And yesterday, after assurance from the government that they'll be providing police escort, so today the supplies to Meghalaya have resumed. And the Meghalaya police, as you can see in the background, they are stationed here in Jorobat and they are escorting all the vehicles all the way down to the different districts of Meghalaya. And so we from the Petroleum Dealers Association, we are very grateful to the Meghalaya government and particularly to the police department and the IC sir from Burniat and the SP sir from Riboy for providing us with all the support so that the smooth supplies to Meghalaya continue. And we from our Dealers Association, we would like to also say that we stand together and it was a very sad event that we had to lose so many lives, and we hope and pray that peace and prosperity will continue within our state of Meghalaya.